Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to explain the numericals from the chapter Physical Quantities and Measurement. Physical Quantities and Measurement. See, the questions number 2, numericals basically I am doing. Question number 2, what is given here, just see. The dimension of a hall are 10 meter into 7 meter into 5 meter. Means length, breadth, height of a dimension, length, breadth, height of a hall given. If the density of air given 1.11 kg per meter cube, find the mass of air in the hall. Okay. So first of all, you have to find out volume of the hall. How to find out? Just see. In this question, dimension given, length 10 meter, breadth 7 meter, height 5 meter. The volume of the hall is equal to how much? Length into breadth into height. It is coming 350 meter cube. Density of air given 1.11 kg per meter cube. As you know, the density formula is what? Mass by volume. You have to memorize this one. Therefore, mass is equal to how much? Density into volume. Density is given 1.11 into volume, you got 350. After multiplication, you are getting 388.5 kilogram. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. See what is given here. Question number 3, it is given the density of aluminium is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Express it in kg per meter cube. Whenever the density given in gram per centimeter cube is in CGS unit, you have to convert into kg per meter cube by multiplying 1000. Just to see. The density of aluminium given how much? 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. As you know, 1 gram equal to how much? 1 by 1000 kilogram. And centimeter means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Centimeter cube given means it will be, you have to multiply 100 into 100 into 100. Okay. After simulation, they are getting 2700 kg per meter. Basically, normally you have to memorize when the density of any object given in CGS unit, it is in CGS unit. In CGS system, it is given. Okay. And you have to find out density of aluminium in SI system. Means you have to multiply 1000. Density in kg per meter cube, you will get after multiplying 2.7 into 1000. It will be more easier to solve. Question number 4. Question number 4, what is given, just to see. Question number 4. The density of alcohol given 600 kg per meter cube, express it in gram per centimeter. Means the density of the alcohol given in SI system, and you have to convert in CGS system, gram per centimeter. Means you have to divide 1000. Just to see. The density of alcohol given 600 kg per meter cube, you have to divide 1000. You will get how much? 0.60 gram per centimeter cube. Whenever density of any object given in SI system, this one is SI system or MKS system, you have to convert in CGS system by dividing 1000. Let us go question number 5. Question number 5, it is given a piece of zinc of mass given 438.6 gram has a volume of 86 centimeter cube. Volume given, mass given. Calculate the density of zinc. The density formula is what? Mass by volume. Mass of the piece of zinc given 438.6 gram. It is in gram given CGS unit, and volume of that piece of zinc given 86 centimeter cube, also CGS unit. Therefore, density will be mass by volume. Just to see. Question number 5. Mass of piece given 438.6 gram. Density volume given 86 centimeter cube. So, what is the formula for density? Density is equal to mass by volume. This is the mathematical formula you have to memorize. Density is equal to mass by volume. Now, putting mass is equal to 438.6 divided by 86, you are getting the result 5.1 gram per centimeter cube, because mass given gram and volume given in centimeter cube. Now, this is the answer of question number 5. Let us go question number 6. Question number 6, it is given a piece of wood of mass 150 gram mass of the piece of wood given 150 gram, has a volume given 200 centimeter cube, volume also given in CGS unit. You have to find out density of wood in CGS unit as well as in SI unit. Okay, let us see. Question number 6, mass given 150 gram, these two are given, mass given, volume given 200 centimeter cube. So density in CGS unit will be how much? Mass by volume, mass already given in CGS unit 150 gram by 200 centimeter, it will be 0.75 gram per centimeter cube. This one is CGS unit. Okay, next we have to convert SI unit. Just to see how will convert density in SI unit. Just you have to multiply 1000. 0.75 into 1000 is coming 750 kg per meter cube. 0.75 in CGS unit, you have to multiply 1000 to get density of those objects in SI system, 750 kg per meter cube. Let us go question number 7. What is given question number 6? First to see the question. Question number 7, it is given that calculate the volume of wood. Calculate the volume of wood of mass 6000 kg, means mass given. If the density of wood is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, means density of the wood given 0.8 gram per centimeter is in CGS system, but this is in SI system. Okay, and you have to find out volume of the wood. Just to see the mass of the wood given how much? 600 kg. Density given 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. How will convert SI unit? Multiplying 1000, it is coming 800 kg per meter cube. After finding density in SI system and mass already given in SI system, then density formula is what? Mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore volume will be how much? Mass by density. Mass by density. The mass given how much? 6000 kg. Density given 800 kg per meter cube. 20 cancel, 60 by 8 means 7.5 meter cube in SI system. Okay, I think it is clear. Question number 7 completed. Question number 8. Just to see what is given question number 8. Question number 8, it is given that calculate the density of solid from the following data. Mass of solid given 72 gram. Initial volume of water in measuring cylinder 24 ml given. Okay, and also it is given that number C given final volume of water when solid is completely immersed in water, that is 42 milliliter ml. Okay, let us see the answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8, it is given that mass of solid given how much? 72 gram. Volume of water ice final minus initial, it is coming 18 ml, means 18 centimeter cube. 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. Next density formula is what? Density is equal to mass by volume. The mass equal to how much? 72 gram. Volume we are 18 CGS unit, that is 18 centimeter cube. 18 4 just 72, that means 4 gram per centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, density is equal to 4 gram per centimeter. Let us go question number 9. Question number 9, what is given? First to see. Question number 9, it is given that, just to see. Question number 9, the mass of an empty density bottle. The mass of an empty density bottle. The mass of empty density bottle is 21.8 gram. When filled completely with water, it is 41.8 gram per gram. And when filled completely with liquid, it is 40.6 gram. Empty density bottle given, filled with water it is given, filled with liquid it is given. The volume of density bottle, relative density of liquid. The two-part question given, you have to find out. Let us see. Question number 9. Mass of water given 20 gram. After subtracting and volume of water will be that 20 ml. After subtracting you are getting, okay. Then mass of liquid I will get 40.6 minus 21.8, because if 21.8 is the mass of empty bottle given, it is coming 18.8 gram. The relative density of liquid, the formula is what? Density of liquid divided by density of same volume of liquid. Means here density means mass by volume. Another formula is mass of liquid by mass of water. So mass of liquid you got 18.8 divided by mass of water, that is 20. If you divide, you will get 0.94. This is the answer of question number 9. Okay. In this way, total 10 questions I have completed. 9 questions completed the physics numerical. Thank you for today's class.